Okay, this is the solar panel tilting mechanism. 10 panels, room for 10 panels, made out of 1.5 inch steel bar. This is the pivot rod, mounting bracket for the wires. Shaped in there. I know my welding sucks, but what can you do, right? And there's wood spacers here, and the panels go on top of that wood. It's upside down right now. Anyway, cross braces on the bottom. Well, I got the tilt rack up. Winter time. Okay, I got the 10 panel array up. I got my 10 panel array up. This is the controller. Well, the bracing thing. So we can tilt it all the way winter time and all the way summertime. Oh, look at it go. She's going down. Anyway, this is the you tighten that nut. And 3 poles. And it spins real easy in this this thing here. Some construction. Okay, 10 panel array, tiltable. With the big picture here. And this is the adjustment. It moves pretty easy. Adjustment thing. And it's built out of 1.5 inch angle iron. And I think there's a 2 inch pipe going across there. And the panels will slide in right here on top of this wood spacer. And the panels will slide in there. And there's one panel there, another panel there. Some construction details. It's all just welded angle iron. These two are together, welded together. There'll be some wind load on this, so I could have just used